COVID-19 Home Isolation Guidelines. Patient tested positive. Patients clinically assessed for COVID positive and asymptomatic, having no symptoms and oxygen saturation above 93% are advised for home isolation. Management of cases under home isolation. Patients should follow these norms. Identify, separate well-ventilated room. Use triple layer mask and discard in a paper bag after 72 hours, cutting into pieces. Maintain adequate hydration. Follow respiratory etiquettes. Follow hand hygiene. Do not share personal items including utensils with others. Clean frequently touched surfaces with soap, detergent and water. Monitor blood oxygen saturation and temperature regularly. The caregiver must follow these precautions. Use triple layer mask and discard in a paper bag after 72 hours, cutting into pieces. Replace mask immediately if wet or dirty with secretion. Follow hand hygiene. Avoid touching face, nose or mouth. Use gloves and perform hand hygiene before and after using gloves. Avoid direct contact with body fluids of patient. Avoid exposure to contaminated items in patient's immediate environment. Ensure effective waste disposal. Treatment for patients with mild asymptomatic disease. Patient must be in communication with a medical officer. Medication for comorbidities must be continued after consulting treating medical officer. Leverage teleconsultation platform. Follow symptomatic management for fever, cough, etc. Avoid misinformation leading to panic. Do not rush for self-medication, blood investigation or radiological image without consultation of your treating medical officer. Steroids are not indicated in mild disease and shall not be self-administered. Patient, caregiver to monitor health of patient. Immediate medical attention must be sought if serious signs or symptoms develop. These could include unresolved high-grade fever more than 100 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 3 days. Difficulty in breathing. Oxygen saturation less than 93% on room air, at least 3 readings within 1 hour for respiratory rate more than 24 per minute. Persistent pain, pressure in the chest. Mental confusion or inability to arouse. Severe fatigue and myalgia. Discontinue home isolation. Patient under home isolation will stand discharged and end isolation after at least 7 days have passed from testing positive and no fever for 3 successive days, and they shall continue wearing masks. There is no need for retesting after the home isolation period is over. Asymptomatic contacts of infected individuals need not undergo COVID test and monitor health in home isolation.